Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another week, a new week of couponing. So we're going to start off at CVS. This is a week starting for the deals of May 3rd through May 8th. Let's go ahead and get inside. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do here is on the CoverGirl. They are buy two, you get a $7 extra buck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of the powders that are priced at $8.79. And then I'm also going to grab a mascara that is priced at $7.29. So here's the breakdown. Sorry I had to scribble out a little bit because these prices are a little more higher than the online prices. So here's one pressed powder, one mascara. It's going to total me $16.08. I'm going to use a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl, or I'm sorry, a 4 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT that I have attached to my digital app. And I'm also going to use 2 manufacturer coupons. I'm going to use a $3 off eye product, and then I have a $3 off face product. So that's going to put my total all the way down to $6.08, and then I'll get back $7, making my final cost free plus a 92-cent moneymaker. Okay, so next thing I'm going to grab is some Poise liners. You can grab the liners or the pads. These are on sale this week for $5.99. And then we have a $3 off digital coupon attached to our app. And then when you buy one, you get back $2. So you're going to use, it's going to be $5.99. You're going to use that $3 off Poise manufacturer coupon. You'll pay $2.99 and get back $2, making your final cost only 99 cents for those pads. Yay, I would do the deal twice, but it's only a limit of 1, so you won't get back $4 an extra, but keep that in mind. You can only do that deal one time. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is a hair care deal. I'm going to do 2 different brands together. So I'm going to grab the L'Oreal E5. These are 2 for $8. I'm also going to grab Garnier Fructis. These are 2 for $7. Okay, so here are the ones I'm grabbing right here. Now for the breakdown. So I grabbed 2 L'Oreal, 2 Garnier, 2 L'Oreal $8, a Garnier $7. So it's going to total me $15, and then I'm going to use a 3 off of 15 hair care CRT that I have attached to my digital app. I'm going to use a $3 off L'Oreal, 3 off of 2 L'Oreal manufacturer coupon also attached to my digital app. And then I'm going to use a 2 off of 2 Garnier manufacturer coupon that we just got in May 3rd. Retail Me Not, I believe. Check out my Google description. I'll have all my breakdowns, guys, again for you in a better, clean, more typed up handwriting. So I do believe this came from the Retail Me Not from May 3rd, Retail Me Not. So I'll pay $7 and then I'll get back $7, making my final cost free. Alright, so next I'm going to grab is some Crest toothpaste. There's select Crest toothpaste that are $3.99. I'm not sure which one is all included. I know it's for the Crest Scope, and I believe it's for the 3D White as well, but they're not scanning the correct price. So the deal is when you buy 3, you get a $3 extra buck. However, I'm going to pick up a total of 4 Crest toothpaste, and here's my breakdown. I'm going to buy 4. It's going to total me $15.96. I'm going to use a 4 off of 14 Crest CRT. I'm also going to use a $2 off of 4 Crest CRT, and then I also have a 50-cent Crest CRT. And then we have a $5 off 3 manufacturer coupon that's on our digital app. And then I also have a $1 off manufacturer coupon also on the digital app. So that's going to bring my total all the way down to $3.46, and then I'll get back $3, making my final cost only 46 cents or 11 cents each. So amazing deal. I didn't think that all the CRTs were going to work out together, but when I tried it checking out online, it did. It all attached together. So I'm hoping it's going to do the same for me right now when I go to checkout. I did want to get the Crest Charcoal, and we do have a $3 off whitening CRT, or I just got one that printed for me. But I think I have too many of those, so I think I'm just going to do the regular. But that would have only made them 46 cents for all of them if I had got in the 3D Crest Charcoal, which I might, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I just finished scanning the charcoal, and it's not included in the deal. I know 3D White, the Radiant Mint is because it's the one pictured in the ad, so I believe it's the one is. Then I did scan the Crest Scope, and they are bringing up at the $3.99 sale price, so fortunately, I'm not going to be getting my favorite, but that's okay. Okay, y'all, so last and final deal I'm going to do is the Chic disposable razors. They are buy one, get one 50%, and then when you spend $15 on Chic razors, you get a $5 extra buck. So what I'm going to do is grab one of the $10.29 Chic razors, and then I'm also going to grab one priced at $9.99, which they're locked, so I'm going to have to ask for assistance, but I'm going to grab one of those razors. So I changed my breakdown a little bit because my prices are a little more cheaper. So I'll pay for both those razors, I'll pay $15.28. So keep in mind, one's going to be full price, the other one's going to be half off. I'll use a $3 off of Chic manufacturer coupon, and then I have a $2 off of a disposable razor CRT. So I'll pay $7.28 out of pocket, and then I'll get back $5 in extra buck, making my final cost only $2.28 or $1.14 each. So those are all the deals I think I'm going to be doing. I'm not doing this deal right now because I didn't get a CRT for the body wash. So here's how my cart is looking, and I'm going to go ahead, pray, hope everything works out good, and meet you guys back in the apartment. Oh, one more thing. Here's the Chic manufacturer coupons I'm using, the $3 off of one. You can find these in the 426 Smart Source. Alright guys, so we made it back home. Of course we didn't make it back home issue free, because why would that happen? No, I'm kidding. Anyways, yeah, a small little issue. Hopefully I'll be able to get it fixed by tomorrow, but a small little issue. I grabbed everything I grabbed in store. I have it here. I was able to check out pretty much perfectly fine. What did I want to say? I'm not going to really go through another breakdown of each item, just because I did the breakdown already. You guys saw that in store, and then in the description box I will have a Google Docs where all the breakdown is provided. So if you have any questions about the breakdown, just leave me a comment down below or send me a message on Instagram or something, and I will try to explain it to you. But just to recap what I got, I just grabbed 2 of the L'Oreals. These are priced 2 for $8. 2 of the Garniers, priced 2 for $7. The Poise liners are on sale for $5.99. I grabbed 2 CoverGirl makeup. I grabbed 4 Crest toothpaste. These are on sale for $3.99. And then I grabbed some Chic razors that are buy one get one 50% off. So before I get into the issue, that you guys saw in store when I was grabbing the Garnier, I didn't realize that the coupon I had, the manufacturer coupon, was a $2 off of Herbal Essence. I don't know why I always confuse Herbal Essence with Garnier. So that was a mistake on my part, and it shouldn't have been a mistake, because I know I don't get Garnier coupons in my region anymore. Don't know why, but I don't. So that was just a huge mistake on my part. That coupon, obviously it beeped. So that's when she told me, you didn't grab Herbal Essence. And I'm like, oh yeah, oh well. So anyways, it was still a good deal without it. So I grabbed that. And then if you do get Garnier in your regions, then you will get that $2 off of Garnier, which would make the hair care items free for you if you do get that coupon. Anyway, so the issue was, when you guys check out, and I'm sure you guys probably have the same issue, when you guys check out and you hear your total, right, and you're like, you know what, I actually have some more extra bucks to help cover that, and they have to go back in to add those extra bucks, and then when they hit submit again to show your total again, for some reason it wipes away some of your coupons. So that's what happened to me today, and I didn't really pay attention too well of that when it happened, and I just thought, you know what, I'm not going to go back in store and complain about it. I'm going to try calling customer service and hopefully getting some help, because I have very, very bad luck when trying to contact CVS. They never want to help me. I've only had my extra buck reissued to me once, and I've called them probably like 4 or 5 times. So I'm really hoping that tomorrow they'll understand and help me out and reissue. It was like $6 in CRTs that did not come off because of whatever reason. Like it's just when the cashier told me that too. She said, sometimes when we go back to enter more extra bucks or something, it wipes some stuff away. And when she told me that, I was like, okay, but we can figure it out or something, afterwards. But then when we did it, I just paid the price, and I didn't even ask her, wait a minute, that's still too high. You know what I mean? So that's the only issue, guys. When you do your transactions and when you total, try to hand all your coupons, all your extra bucks right then and there. So when they hit total for the first time, everything will come off and they don't have to go back in and out, because that's when the issues happen. So it's hard not to have them go back in and out because we're couponers and sometimes things don't work out, but pretty much that's what happened, and I'm hoping that's something I can get fixed. Anyways, the coupons that I lost or the CRTs that didn't come off because of that, was the 4 off of 15 CoverGirl makeup. Such a high value, I know, I'm so upset. Yeah, the 4 off 15 makeup, and then the 3 off of $15 for the hair care. So those are the two main important coupons that I would like to get back. My Chic razor also didn't come off. The $7, the 2 off of, there was it $2 off of Chic or any razors. That CRT didn't come off either. I'm not really gonna fuss about it too much. If they, you know, I'm really more worried about just at least getting $7 in CRTs back. So that didn't come off. And then the Colgate, I mean not the Colgate, the Crest toothpaste. In the video I told you guys I was gonna pair a 2 off of 4 CRT and a $4 off of 14 CRT. And when I did the deal online to check out, all the CRTs worked together. And so when I did it in store, it didn't work together. Only the $2 off of 4 came off, which was something I kind of was preparing for, but I wish of course that the higher value one came off. So the Crest and the Chic CRT is not coming off. I'm not going to fuss about it. However, I am going to fuss about the other two, the CoverGirl and the hair care, because those are, you know, more of a higher value coupons and what I was really hoping to get back. So we'll see how that works out. Anyways, that is everything. Let me show you my receipt. So here is my total. Everything ringed up perfectly for the sale items. And so boom, 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 boom. And here's all the coupons that I used. I also even paired in $8 off of 60 for your next purchase. And like I said, all my CRTs with that $8 off of 60 worked out perfect. It was just going back after hitting total, going back and then hitting total again. That made everything mess up. So yeah. And then that's my subtotal, $5.81. And I can't believe tax, $3.25. Like, damn. I mean, I know my tax isn't one of the highest taxes because I live in Florida. So if you guys pay higher tax than 6.5%, I'm sorry. That is high, because it brought my total all the way to $9. Like, wow. You know, I don't know, that's a high tax to me. But anyways, yeah. So here's all the coupons that I used. And then I did roll over all these extra bucks right here. So, anyways, if I do get that $6 or $7 extra bucks back that I'm hoping, or CRTs back, it would pretty much make my subtotal free. So, let's see, guys. Hopefully. I'm praying that I do get it back because it's a hassle. Anyway, so I got $2 back for the Garnier Fructis. I got $4 back for the L'Oreal. I got $5 back for the Chic razors. $7 back for the CoverGirl makeup. $2 back for the Poise pads. Pads or liners, so the Poise Feminine Care. And then I got $3 back for the Crest toothpaste. So in total, that is $24. I think, hold on, give me a second. No, just kidding. In total, that is $23 that I got back in extra bucks. And then, of course, all these items, the CoverGirl, the L'Oreal, the Poise, all that's going to help me to hit beauty and the razors. So I don't know if I'm going to be hitting beauty twice. I should be hitting beauty twice, but who knows if it's going to work out that way. But anyways, for sure, I'll be getting back $3 in the extra bucks. So that would bring my final cost for getting back extra bucks, 26 extra bucks altogether. So super happy and excited about that. So yeah, guys, let me know how your deals at CVS are going this week. How everything's working out for you. I would love to hear your thoughts and stuff in the comments below. And also, 2 more things. That beauty event pretty much going on at CVS is where you get, when you spend $30, you have that $10 CRT for spending $30. I thought it was a CRT, however, I didn't get it. I had nothing printed out for me with that at the Redbox machine. So maybe I have to look at that deal again. Ignore that. Maybe I have to look at it again. Maybe it's not a CRT. Maybe it's just supplies at the register. I'm not 100% sure, but I thought it was going to be a CRT that printed at the Redbox machine, but it did not print for me. I wasn't planning on using it anyways, but still, it didn't print for me, which is weird. And then another thing, for the Extra Care customer service, when I called today, you know, letting them know my issue and that I'm having a hard time contacting Extra Care because, you know, the phone number is saying that they're temporarily closed, and then when I would email them, they would tell me to call them. So I'm like, this isn't going anywhere. So when I explained that to them today, they said that they are officially opening back up Monday, May 4th. They're opening up Monday, May 4th. I believe the hours are 8:30 p.m. to 5, or 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m., one of the two. So yeah, they should be officially opening back tomorrow. So if you have any issues hopefully we can all be getting our stuff resolved within this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give my video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.